Ready? Now look here, beta. I'll start the class, please. Oh. This is where but what name? Come. 1 minute, huh? I did some very marvelous work. Just 1 second, beta. This laptop is very primitive. Taking all revenge one side itself. With what speed it is working, you know what? Super beta. Max inverse. Fine, I'll do one work. I'll take it again. Till then, I'm giving some questions to solve. Get ready for solving questions. Okay. Is monkey here? Yeah, monkeys are here only. Are you a monkey? Means you are here only. Now look here. I'm giving you one question till then. Till it is not loading. I'm giving you one question. Start solving this question. Okay, fine. I think I got my PDF. You have nails? Tanish? Yeah, nothing. Got it. Yeah, Shiva, good evening. Everyone get ready, please. Before test, this is an important thing. We'll check this one out. Little bit name misplacement happened. After that, File loading was problem. Now everything is okay, I guess. Come, please. Fine. We'll start our work, please. Go for the first question, please. And your first question is this one. Start solving the question, please. You're not answering my question. What is your question? Where should I ask about doubts? Where should you ask about doubts? Doubts means manager ma'am will inform you. Yeah, ma'am will definitely you post message in community or you post message in whatever comment box. They'll definitely Mansi ma'am will inform you. Okay. So now look here. The domain of the function defined by this one. Come on, go for it. Start doing the work, please. Get ready. So listen, by seeing the options, you need to attempt the answer. Okay. Your question is this one. Start doing it. In between extra questions also I'm going to give. Get ready, please. Sadhana option is A. Fine. What is your answer, sir? What about others? I informed everyone to join the session and start answering the questions. Okay. See, the steps are very easy. I'll explain you how the steps are exactly coming. With this, I will ask you, with this, I will give you some extra questions also, so that you can be able to solve the question. Now listen, the part here is given somebody will give you sine inverse root under x minus 1. How to appear for this? You know that sine inverse sound is very irritating me. Seriously, I'm telling you. Now look here, you know that sine inverse x domain is what? Minus 1 to plus 1. So minus 1 to plus 1 is the domain of sine inverse x. So you need to write in the examination that sine inverse x domain is minus 1 to plus 1. But beta here it is exactly minus 1 to 1 plus 1, but your part is root under. So we will write this section is coming root under. Can you switch off? So now look here, but root now, when you will be exactly going for root, you have to check one thing. Once you are going for root means it will not be going for negative. X value should not be negative, understood? So the value of X here should not be negative. It should not be 0 also. It should have to start with 1, understood or not? So can I include 0 or not? Tell me. Can I include 0? If I will be including 0 means it will exactly, so indirectly we have to check here that the root under minus 1 to 1 when we are writing, then it should be dealing with what situation? Okay, fine. I will be having this part and it should be exactly strictly not equal to 1. Is this the part? Come on, check everyone, because sine inverse x directly I just wrote that one. So that means it is coming as 1 to 2. The interval will be coming from 1 to 2. Now you need to understand that when you will be squaring this one, so rather than starting from 0, it will be exactly starting with 1. So that definitely answer will be exactly coming from what beta? So see, root under section means the value, this root value should be greater than or equal to 0. Means the entire section should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. Understood? Not strictly less than 1. Got it? So now what we are going to, because strictly less than 1, because root inverse x minus 1 is there. So after this, what we are going to do? This part root will go, correct now? So it will come this x minus 1 and to 1. So now we will add this, it will become 1 and then x minus 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. So interval will start with 1 to 2. Interval will start with 1 to 2. So now again another domain question I am giving you. That domain question is also important because this material is given to you in the group itself. So parallelly I am giving some extra questions to you. So this material is available in the group. You can read this material also. After 1 hour your classes. In between if you disturb na, seriously I punch you. I am telling you. Dawn answer I have given. Class will be after 1 hour, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay. Now better go for this one. The question is you have to find the domain of cos inverse. Go for it, please. Domain of cos inverse 2x minus 3. So those children who have already attended my class, you just tell me what is the domain. Just type the answer. Okay. Just type the answer. What is the domain here? What is the domain here? I'll not be giving you any information about it. Just tell me the domain of it. Yes, but I did not ask from you. Did I ask from you, you say? One time also I did not ask from you. I said after 1 hour we will meet. Uh, no, not correct. 0 to 1. Yeah, Pudi. That's the answer. This is the shot I was missing from Pudi. Absolute. The correct answer is 1 to 2. And why we are going to worry from it, that this type questions means it will come with. You got answer? So first we will add 3 on both sides. Now this one will become 2, 2x, 4. Both sides we will divide it by 2. So definitely it is coming in the closed interval. The closed interval part x belongs to closed interval 1 to 2. Did you got this point? X belongs to closed interval 1 to 2. That's the answer. Understood or not? So shall we go for the next question, please? Now the next question is principal branch of tan inverse x. If they will ask you this question, write the answer principal, okay, branch of tan inverse x, of tan inverse x, principal branch of tan inverse x, monkey, principal branch of tan inverse x. What is the answer? Come on, say. Principal branch of tan inverse x. What can be the answer? I'm giving you the options. Can you post one message in the group? Auntie will seriously jump on you if you will not join the session. Come on, answer the question, please. Principal branch of tan inverse x. Come on, go for it. Well done. Well done, well done, well done, well done. 3 of you, awesome. And here also one person said answer. What answer you said? D. Here I got answer from Tanish. He has given answer D. And there I am getting answer online. They are giving answer C. And I have to decide which is the correct answer. Correct, na? The correct answer is C. Because tan inverse x is exactly an infinite function. It is a set of real numbers. So always it will be open interval. And since it will be open interval, answer will always be C. It will never be D. Understood? We'll go for the next question, please. This question again and again I'm asking from all of you, and again I'm telling you, please kindly go for it. The question is, okay, I'll go back to the question sets. Bye-bye. We'll go for the next question, please. Sin inverse x is equal to y. What will be the domain? Sin inverse x is equal to y. Podi, this is the mistake you have done, so we need to rectify the mistake. What is going to be the answer? Can you say me, please? Sin inverse x is equal to y. What will be the answer? Hmm? Yes, the correct answer is B, because when sin inverse x is equal to y will be there, y value should be lying. See, whenever we are getting these type of shots, we need to be very careful. See, please pay attention here. This is sin inverse x, this is value. Understood or not? So here, if we will shift this side, what it will become? It will become sin y equal to x. Understood or not? So here x is what? X is value. And what is y? Y is angle. X is y. X is what? X is value and y is what? Angle. So here angle, and everybody knows that the principal domain, understood? The principal branch of sine inverse x, this sine x will be minus 90 to plus 90 closed interval, correct? So minus 90 to plus 90 closed interval. So answer will be exactly B. That is a closed interval minus 90 to plus 90. I hope you have understood this one. Now third question, and your time starts now. Do it. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3 is equal to what? Cot inverse negative means pi will be there. Everyone, cot and cos. Today one time you remind me, I will give you some love letters. Okay. In terms of mathematics, I am giving you. Did you got? Oi. But B's answer. B's answer, yeah, correct only. I have no doubt about it. B's answer. Come on, go for it. Try these questions, please. We can do it. Cot inverse. Yeah, who is messaging like this? Answer is B. Hmm? See, a simple technique is when we are getting these type of questions, how we are going to attempt these type of questions. Huh? Now look at, when we are getting these type of questions, tan inverse root 3. Now check this one out. Tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3. Very good, Monkey Verma. So tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. So beta, first thing is tan inverse root 3 means pi by 60. Sorry, it is 60 degrees. 60 degrees pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus, now cot inverse minus theta is pi minus cot inverse root 3. So here pi minus cot inverse root 3 will be what? Because whenever negative cot inverse will be there, negative cos inverse, cos and cot and secant, whenever negative will be there inside, then pi minus you have to write. What you have to write? Pi minus. Understood? So here this part will come as pi minus what degree? Pi by 6, 30 degree. Na? So pi by 6. So now here what you are going to write? Pi by 3 minus 6 minus, so that is minus 5 pi by 6. What is the answer coming? Let's check this one out. This will be multiplied with 2. It will become 2 pi by 6 minus Oh, minus into minus will become what? Plus array. This section is coming pi plus. So minus pi will be released. Minus pi. Negative is coming minus 3 pi by 6. It is coming as minus pi by 2. Done? Correct now? 2 pi minus 3 pi minus 5 pi minus 3 pi minus 3 pi cancel means minus pi by 2. That's correct? Oh, congratulations. You are liking pi wala questions. Very good. So now we are going to go for the next question, please. Now in between I am giving you this question. This is above principal domain. So please kindly see. These type questions means you are solving means it is going to give you confidence. Come on, go for it. If you say next time this answer now, I seriously am going to. How can it be? Sine inverse domain, principal domain is what? Everybody please pay attention. Sine inverse. This is in Anupuram, Chennai. Now look at first important information is कि when somebody will asking you this, that answer will be 5 pi by 3. You say that the answer is not 5 pi by 3. The most important thing is कि the answer will be dependent on principal domain. Here 5 pi by 3 does not comes between minus 90 to plus 90. So we need to first convert it into that interval. So how we are going to solve this question? Come on, check this one out. So if somebody will be asking you how to solve this question, this is not the answer. First mistake done by student is they think that sine and sine inverse will get cancelled and answer will come 5 pi by 3. Here one big person is there, he's telling answer is 5 pi by 3, but answer will not be 5 pi by 3. First you need to listen me carefully. You need to check the principal domain. Got it? So here 5 pi by 3 does not belongs to minus 90 to plus 90. So this is not the answer. So what we will do? Sine inverse sine of pi plus, you check there, 2 pi by 3. Done? So theta plus 180 degree means sine will become negative. Understood not? Theta, either you can write here, two things is there. So here you need to bring 5 pi by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, and when you are multiplying here 3 plus 2 will become 5. So pi plus theta belongs to which quadrant? Pi plus theta belongs to third quadrant, and in third quadrant sign is negative. Understood? Kalpakam. So here it will become sine inverse. This part will come as what, beta? Minus sine of 2 pi by 3. Done? Huh? So 2 pi by 3 is again out of our range. If you will see now, it is coming again out of our range. Can we do one work here? Can we multiply it with 2? Then it will become 3 to the 6. Now it will come to your range. Now we check this one out. If you put here, means 2 times you have to resolve it, because now it is coming as 2 into pi means 360 degree. 360 means 120. 120 means again you have to resolve. Understood not? So why can't we do the most shortest way? And what is the most shortest way? The most shortest way here is writing like this. Sine inverse sine of 2 pi minus pi by 3. That is 2 pi minus pi by 3 belongs to which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. And in fourth quadrant, sine is negative. So here it will become sine inverse minus sine pi by 3. So this minus will shift inside. It will become sine inverse sine of minus pi by 3. So sine inverse and sine will get cancelled. It will come as minus pi by 3. Understood? So the correct answer here is option C. I hope you might have understood absolutely, both of you. Bless you both. This is what I am wanting better. This is what the final phase now. You should be so attentive that your answers will come. Sometimes now take the screenshot and send me where doubts are there, where you have done something which has to be changed. Very good. Bless you. Shall we go for the next question? Did you understood, Tanish? Shall we go for the next question? Pudi, can you post in the group for everyone to join here? I requested all to join. Still 8 o'clock is not there. The domain of the function, this one. See, just now these type questions we have solved. It's not Kanchipuram, it's Kalpakam. Kanchipuram is a different district. Chengalpet is a district, different district. Under Chengalpet, Kalpakam, Anupuram is coming. This much history, geography I'm knowing. More than this, don't ask. The correct answer is 0 to A. Okay. Now look here. We are going to solve this question. Check this one out. So here it is coming as 2x minus 1. It is coming between minus 1 to 1. Add 1. So minus 1 plus 1. 2x minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So it will become 0. 2x, 2. So 0, 2x, 2, 2, 2, 2. So it is coming between 0 to x to 1. So x belongs to closed interval, sure short, 0 to 1. So answer is 0 to 1. Option is A, absolute. Very good. Nice. Shiva Podi, this is what I am wanting for. Now look here, beta. Shall we go for the next question? You got the answer or not? Now it is okay. So now look here. We'll go for the next question, please. Get ready. This question need any type of adjustment? Come on, children. Just think about the question and solve the question. You can do it. Just try once. Correct? Confirm? I'm waiting for Podi, Shivaranjani, others to answer this question. Well done, Kishore. This time Kishore has answered first. This is what I'm waiting. I want a tough competition between my children. Super. After that, second, this time Shivaranjani has answered. This is nothing. This question is nothing. Cosecant inverse 2 by root 3. Cosecant inverse 2 by root 3 is there. Podi, why late here? Cosecant inverse 2 by root 3. Cosecant inverse 2 by root 3 will come for which value? Yes, Podi. Absolute. So now look at it. So this section, it will directly be coming as what value? The answer will be coming as pi by 3, means 60 degree. Correct now? But here since minus is there, so directly answer will come as minus pi by 3. So you are also correct. You actually you gave answer before them. So they are net now, so only problem is there. Better check you people are live or not, and then go for this question. This is a super question, and your time starts now. Let's see top 3 people who can answer the question. Come on, go for it. I'm just counting which top 3 people will give answer. Tanish, Podi gave answer. Well done, Podi. Bless you, beta. After that, Kishore has given the answer. Super, beta. Bless you. Directly we can say here now I got 2 answers. They have given D answers. Now look here, cos inverse this one. If somebody will be giving you cos inverse this section answer, cos inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2 is 60 degree. that is pi by 3. Then sine inverse 1 by 2 is 60 degree, that is pi 30 degree, that is pi by 6. This will get cancelled. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3 will become 2 pi by 3. Answer is D. Done. This is just one shot. Super performance. Very good. So now we are going to go for the, see how much fraction of seconds these children are answering the question. That's very important. Come on, go for it. Question number 8. It's very easy. Now I'm going to give some questions from my side that should be little typical that you need to remember. Now I'm going to give you my questions. Get ready, please. Oh, you. Super, very good. So this time Kishore, after that Shivaranjani has given the answer. Super, super, super. After that Pudi has given the answer. So actually Kishore is wrong. Yes, now yes, correct only. Now correct only. Yes, now it is correct. What is the answer? B is correct answer. Yes, because beta tan root 3 is 60 degrees. 60 degrees pi by 3. Tan root 3 is 60 degree and 60 degree is pi by 3. Now get ready for my question, children. Yes, now you are ready for my questions because my questions will be little here and there. Get ready. You need to solve the question and give a final answer. Listen to me carefully. You need to solve the question and give me a final answer. Question is, find the domain of, get ready, find the domain of, you need to find the domain, D for donkey, D for domain of, get ready, cos inverse x square minus 4. Remember, this is a final shot and we are rereading inverse trigonometry from all the corners. So 2 days extra classes we are going to put so that the recorded part will be helping you. Come on, go for it, please. Do you need support for answer? Try. All concept is okay, but it is lagging into a very big problem. Values will change, beta. Try. Some problem is there. First step is correct. After that, problem is there. First step is absolutely correct. After that, problem is there. Can I solve? Can I solve, sir? Now look at these type of questions means same pattern is there, nothing big work we have to do, but logically you be prepared what you have to do here. Now listen nicely. X square minus 4 is there. Again the values will lie between minus 1 to plus 1. Listen carefully. After this, what is the next shot? Add 4. Understood. Now what is the problem? The problem is here x square is there, not x. Remember this, it's not x, it's x square, and when it is x square you can't solve like that. Understood? So for solving that, yeah, you have to divide it into two regions. What? Come on. So only I said it is wrong, na? How can I say it is correct when it is wrong? Now look here. First you take this one. It will become case 1. Case 1. When x square is greater equals 3. That means modulus of x is greater than plus minus root under 3. Greater part means we can't write like that. Understood? You leave it till here. In rough section you do. That is x square is equal to 3. Modulus will become modulus of x is equal to root under 3. So x will be plus minus root under 3. So first write minus root under 3 and then plus root under 3. Please listen this one carefully. Greater than means plus, and you please circle this one and color this one. Region 1 done. Now we have to go for region 2. Shiva, 2 values will be coming here that you need to keep in your brain. Now case 2. Children, please, Kishore, Podi, focus here. Next case will be what, beta? Next case will be coming for root part when x will be less, x squared is less than root 5. So x square is less equals 5. So that means x square is equal to 5. Take root. It will become modulus of x is equal to 5. So x will be equal to plus minus root under 5. Understood? Yep, Podi, super. Bless you, beta. Bless you. Super. Nice. I am really feeling proud on you. Some people must check what they are writing. Next question I am going to give, but before giving next question, I need to solve this question. Understood? So now look here. This done. So now root 3 is bigger or root 5 is bigger? Root 5 is bigger, but root 5 will be what? Smaller. Understood? So here if I want to write root 5 will come here minus root 5. Understood? And here it will become root 5. Got it? Now this is negative, less than sign, less than. Less than means this part will become plus, this is minus, and this part will become plus. So for root 5, this region will be taken. Got it? Now we need to find the common region. What is the common region? The common region is coming minus root 5 to minus root 3. So what is the common region? The common region is coming as minus root 5 to minus root 3. Closed interval or open interval say to? It will be closed interval. Understood? Because greater equal sign is there. Na? Here all signs are greater equal. So closed interval. Okay? Union. Now this side is coming as root 3 to this. So this area is coming common, and here also this area is coming common. So definitely these two areas will be there. So root 3 to root 5, that's it. Root 3 to root 5, that's it. I rest my case. Kishore and Podi, absolutely correct. I hope you might have understood this one. These are seriously some tricky questions, and these questions need your attention. One more good question, I'm going to give it to you. Get ready for it, please. Well done. Fight was very nice. Domain question. One more domain question I'm giving. Children, get ready. Both of you did very good. Tanish, you understood now how to solve these questions? This is it. This is the moment I'm planning like you children should go with this type questions. Ready? Next question. 2 more sessions for inverse trigonometry, then test. Okay. Some assertion raising questions also you must practice. Question is, get ready children. Your question is, this question you touch. Chocolate pakka. This question you touch. You need to find the domain of it. I'll give you a chocolate. Then we will share, Anita. Well, I'm going to disturb now. Try this question. Give me the answer. Hmm? Answer is I'm locking your answer, but you don't know what is the correct answer. We'll check for it. Online children, I'm waiting when they will give answer. One answer I got dal chawal. Two cases will jump now. There. Yeah. Both cases you must and wrote now. But they will not understand means they'll cut your marks. That's the problem. If they'll not understand means wait, I'll present it so that one time you can understand. Understood, Tanish? So, huh? Concept is correct, no problem. I don't have doubt in concept. Very good, Kishore. See, doubt in concept is not there. I don't have doubt in the answer also. See, Kishore has given the answer. But Kishore, I really want to check your notes one time. What you wrote now, that I want to check, Kishore. If possible, can you send me the screenshot of your answer so that I can have a final analysis how you both. Because you wrote, I'm not satisfied by the answer as a mathematician. Okay, answer is correct, no doubt with that. But answer, how much is capable to withstand your that's the most important thing. Now look here, how we are going to go with this. Now cos inverse root under minus 1. So this part is there. So as a student of class, come on, today I'm writing as a student of class 12. How I am going to approach to this question? Understood? So the domain of cos inverse root under x minus 1 is minus 1 to 1. So first the domain of cos inverse x. Understood? So if the domain of cos inverse x is between minus 1 to plus 1 closed interval, then what we can say, the domain of cos inverse, this section will also come as modulus also value should lie between this. Immediately take a stand and separate them. You can't keep them together and win. You have to separate. Understood? So now here you take one time case 1. Case 1. When you are taking minus 1, this one. Understood? And what is case 2? Case 2 when you are taking modulus of x. Understood? So here one shot you have taken one side less part and another side you have taken plus point. Did you understood here, Tanish? So now once you have done till here, take a boundary, separate I told you. Now here take x minus 1 modulus equal to minus 1. Correct? So when I'm writing here minus 1 is there, so that means the moment modulus will go, what it will become? X minus 1 plus minus minus 1. Got it? Because plus minus will go now, once modulus will go. So x minus 1 will be plus with minus, it will become minus, minus with minus, it will become plus. So two cases will come. One time x minus 1 with minus 1. So x value is coming as 0. One time x will be coming minus 1 with plus 1. So x value is coming as 2. So when we solved this case, x value is coming as 0 to 2. Huh? Now that section we have to solve. See, clearly I have mentioned nothing unwanted I did. We know that here again we have to make it equal to 1. The moment modulus will break, it will give plus minus 1. Done. So one time we will get this equal to 1. So x will be coming as 2. One time it will come as minus 1. So x will come as 0. So here also x belongs to 0, closed interval 0 comma 2. Here also closed interval 0 comma 2. Huh? So here this part is equation 1 and here also equation 2, both are same. So there is no common, see the common itself is exactly coming same now. So what is the domain here coming as? X belongs to closed interval 0 to 2. This is exactly going to be the answer. I hope you might have understood. So this is what better. Next other questions you can be able to solve. But when these type of questions are coming means you should be very carefully designing your part. I hope you might have understood this one. Did you got some good information like how we have to handle the questions? If the questions are coming like this, will you be able to handle the question? Kishore, well done, beta, bless you. Because he has done very, means this type questions only I am expecting like board should give. Because this is something which need brain. Other than that questions, no brain is there. Brainless questions are there. Now question is, get ready for it. Are you ready for the next question? This is what is needing step by step assistance. Other questions are not needing assistance, but this type questions are definitely needing some assistance. And we have done it. Done now? Now we are going to go for the next question, beta. What is the domain of cos inverse x plus cos x? Those people who are joining the sessions from our coaching, please practice these type questions. Cos inverse cos x. Kishore, this one I want beta. Kishore, Podi, everybody, come on, do it. Solve. Still waiting. The answer is wrong actually. See, you need to understand that cos x domain will be, cos x is not having anything. No? So domain of cos x is set of real number. Understood? Domain of cos x is set of real number and domain of cos inverse x is, domain of cos inverse x is this. Now you have to find intersection between this. So answer will come between -1 to 1. That's a two-line answer. Very good. Minus infinity to plus infinity. That is -1 to +1. Absolutely correct, Kishore. But Kishore has analyzed it nicely. I hope you might have understood this one. Can I get the next question, please? Because this is done. I need to check this. Network is okay now. Next question. Go for it. Cos. We need to find the principal value. Cosecant inverse. 2 tan 11 pi by 6. And your time starts now. Any answer? Well done, Kishore. You kept my nose today. Seriously, these type questions must be solved without mistake. Now look at how to solve this question. This one will be written as 2 tan 2 pi minus pi by 6. This is which quadrant, dear? This is cosecant inverse. This is which quadrant? This is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Understood? So here, cosecant inverse, this part is coming 2 minus 2 tan of pi by 6. Okay, tan pi by 6 means what degree beta? Tan pi by 6 is, after that I am going to punch him, wait now. Kishore, you want to do something? Still you are, just check one time. Cosecant inverse minus 2 tan pi by 6 tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is minus 1 by root 2. Only one small change is needed, Kishore. Do you want? There cos inverse minus, it will become minus cosecant inverse 2 by root 3 minus. Yes, that's what. Super beta. Answer is absolutely correct. Only one little minus was mistake there. Got it? That's it. Super. Very nice beta. At least you solved. Very good. Shall we go for the next question, please? So, on an average today, how many questions we have solved? One kutty typical question I am giving. This question came in board exam, and we'll see. Okay. Cot inverse 2 cos sine inverse root 3 by 2. And your time starts now. Yeah. Let's check this one out, beta. Let's check this one out. So here sine inverse, this part will be there. Cot inverse will become as it is. Cot inverse 2 cos, this part will become sine, which degree ray? 60 degree. That is pi by 3. So this part will become pi by 3. And cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. So cot inverse 2 into this value is 1 by 2 cancel. Cot inverse 1 is pi by 4. That's it. Cot inverse 1 is pi by 4. Super. Congrats. So here the answer is coming as pi by 4. Did you got it? So now actually you are having physics class online. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. So I'm going to keep it till here only. How was the session? On an average, how many questions we solved? Tomorrow also I'm going to keep special session so that you can in before taking inverse final examination, because now 4 mark I think assertion, reason and case study only tomorrow I'm going to discuss mostly. Okay. Bye everyone. I'm having another session. Bye bye Ajay. Another session is there. That time you join.